Welcome to our in-house machine shop here at ASI. Some of the benefits of having an in-house machine shop are passing savings on to our customers, in-house quality control, and quicker turn times. Brandon here is going to show you some of the machines.
This is our Bridgeport manual mill. Some of the capabilities that it has is milling slots from any kind of depth down to the 1,000th of an inch, or drilling and making pockets manually. It helps us out a lot for instead of outsourcing to different companies, we can do it all in-house here at ASI. Here's how it works. This is our CNC lathe. It allows us to make any tool as far as bushings or jigs. Its production is phenomenal. Here's how it works. Here's an axle bore bushing I just made. Having these machines in-house is one of the ways it separates ourselves from the competition.